How to use Generative Action feature in Vyond. To utilize Vyond's Generative Action feature effectively, follow these steps. Begin by navigating to the background section and add the background that best suits your animation concept. Next, move to the Characters section and choose a contemporary character that fits your storyline and preferences. Once you've selected your character, click on the action icon to access the Actions menu. Within the Actions menu, you'll find the Generate Action button. Click on it to proceed. You'll be prompted to insert your video. You can either drag and drop your video into the designated placeholder or click on Browse Files to locate and select your video file. Before finalizing the action, it's a good idea to preview the original video. Next, select the video and click Open. After the action is generated, you can select the specific action you'd like to apply to your character from the available options. Finally, take a moment to preview the entire video with the applied action to ensure it meets your expectations and fits seamlessly into your animation. By following these steps, you can make the most of Vyond's Generative Action feature, adding engaging movements and actions to your characters to enhance the storytelling in your animation.